Crispy golden brown fried foods without all the extra fat and calories. It sounds too good to be true, but air fryers make this dream a reality. In this video, we'll count down the top 6 air fryers of 2024, from compact solo models to multifunctional fryers perfect for big families, including how each air fryer performed when cooking frozen foods, fresh vegetables, proteins, and more. Plus, we'll highlight key features, pros and cons, and help you determine which air fryer is the best fit for your lifestyle, cooking needs, and budget. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing, so let's get started. Number 6. Philips Premium Digital Airfryer. Coming in at number 6 is the Philips Premium Digital Airfryer. As a leader in the air frying space, Philips offers an impressive lineup of quality air fryers in different sizes and price points. The Premium Digital Airfryer is compact, making it ideal for 1 or 2 people. In testing, this air fryer performed extremely well when cooking small batches of food. I made chicken tenders, fries, and even donuts, which all came out crispy on the outside while staying tender and juicy on the inside. One thing I love about this model is the simplified control panel. Rather than cluttering up the interface with lots of preset buttons, Philips keeps it clean with just a knob to set the temperature and timer. This knob offers precise control, allowing you to easily adjust in 10-degree increments up to 390 degrees. The Crisper Pro basket and base are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. And the integrated Quick Clean basket has a non-stick coating and smooth surfaces for fast cleaning by hand. While the 1.8-liter capacity won't work for larger families, this air fryer's strengths lie in portion control. It lets you crisp up 1 or 2 servings of your favorite foods without wasting electricity heating up a bigger chamber. So if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people the majority of the time and want precise control in a compact package, the Philips Premium Digital Airfryer is a great choice. Number 5. Ninja SP101 Digital Airfryer. Moving up to the number 5 spot, we have the Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven. Ninja is doing innovative things by combining multiple cooking functions into single countertop appliances. The Foodi takes the air frying functionality we love and pairs it with a full-size convection oven, toaster oven, and dehydrator. This is an oven-style model, meaning foods cook on sheet pans rather than an inner basket. In terms of versatility per square inch, the Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven may be one of the best kitchen appliances on the market. During testing, I used each cooking mode extensively. Air fry resulted in near-perfect golden brown donuts and onion rings. When roasting chicken, the skin came out crispy, while the meat stayed tender and juicy. As a convection oven, it baked cookies and roasted vegetables to perfection. And I also enjoyed playing with the dehydrator function to make fruit leathers and jerky with family members. My one gripe is that you must use pot holders when handling the sheet pans, since this isn't a basket-style fryer. But it's a small price to pay for gaining the extra functionality of 3 appliances in one. If you want air frying capabilities plus the flexibility of a full oven and dehydrator without gobbling up precious countertop real estate, the Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven is an exceptional all-in-one unit. Number 4. Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. Now we reach the top 4 position with the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. Breville knocked it out of the park with this unique, high-tech model featuring Wi-Fi and app connectivity. What sets the Joule Oven Pro apart is its roster of 13 preset cooking functions, all of which can be controlled automatically via the accompanying app. Depending on which recipe you select, the oven intuitively adjusts time, temperature, and mode to perfectly cook your meal. I've now tried over 10 of Breville's one-touch recipes, including everything from air-fried buffalo cauliflower to roast salmon to blueberry crumble cake. The recipes provide great step-by-step guidance and have turned out fantastic every time. Once I press start, I can relax knowing the Joule Oven Pro will alert me when my food is ready. I love leveraging the automated cooking presets to deliver a gourmet meal with minimal effort. This also makes the oven great for busy families and amateur cooks. In terms of performance, air-fried foods came out nicely crisp with the automated presets. When baking, cookies turned out identical to my full-size oven. My only complaint is having to use included trays for messier foods rather than an inner basket. But keep in mind, this isn't solely an air fryer, it's also a pizza oven, dehydrator, and convection oven packed with serious cooking functionality. Between the 13 cooking presets and recipe guidance in the app, it's like having a personal sous chef in your kitchen. If you want a versatile, high-tech countertop oven capable of air frying and so much more, the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro is an exceptional choice worth the investment. Number 3. Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. We've made it to the bronze medal position with the Ninja Foodi Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. This innovative multi-cooker also functions as an air fryer, allowing you to prepare complete meals with the touch of a button. Offering 12 smart programs, this appliance can not only air fry but also sear, saute, steam, bake, and more. The Speedi Rapid Cooker boasts a generous 6-quart ceramic-coated pot, giving you enough space to fix dinner for the whole family. Testing proved this appliance's amazing versatility. Crispy air-fried fries and wings came out with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. The pressure cooker setting allowed me to make fork-tender pot roasts and fall-off-the-bone ribs in record time. And by using the accompanying recipe book, I whipped up delicious one-pot meals like chicken cacciatore and beef stir-fry in just 15 minutes. Design-wise, the Speedi Rapid Cooker has a small footprint fitting perfectly on my countertop below my cabinets. Cleanup is easy since the cooking pot and crisping lid are non-stick and dishwasher safe. The cooking pot also comes with a multi-level air fry basket, allowing you to prep a full meal in one vessel. For instance, you can steam fish and vegetables on top while perfectly cooking rice below. If you want a space-saving multi-cooker capable of preparing fast, delicious, complete meals with a touch of a button, the Ninja Fruity Speedi Rapid Cooker belongs in your kitchen arsenal. Number 2. Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. Runner-up for best air fryer is the Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. Cosori has made a name for itself by offering quality kitchen appliances packed with cutting-edge technology at affordable prices. The Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer can not only crisp up wings, fries, and more with little to no oil, but also connects to your smartphone so you can control cooking from anywhere via the VSync app. During testing, this air fryer turned out batch after batch of crispy fries and veggies that rivaled deep fried. The one-touch presets take the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. Plus, the app includes hundreds of free recipes at your fingertips. I love how the Cosori maintains moderately cool external temperatures while running, so you can safely place it under cabinets without risk of scorching. The non-stick basket and crisping tray clean up in a flash by hand or in the dishwasher. If you enjoy leveraging smart technology in the kitchen, the Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer empowers you to effortlessly air fry fantastic foods from anywhere. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer. And now the moment you've been waiting for, my choice for the number 1 best air fryer of 2024. The winner is, drumroll please, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10-quart air fryer. As one of the largest models I tested, the Vortex Plus can accommodate pounds of food, making it ideal for bigger households. But don't let its imposing size fool you, this appliance still cooks with precision. Headlining features include 7 built-in smart programs allowing you to air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, rotisserie, and more with optimal timing and temperatures. The 10-quart non-stick basket effortlessly held bountiful batches of crispy fries, wings, and shrimp with delicious results. And utilizing the rotisserie spit accessory, I made the most mouth-watering roast chicken and lamb. Instant Pot throws in extra goodies like a drip tray, rotisserie forks, and basket for maximizing cooking options. And everything from the basket to door is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Simply put, if you need an air fryer capable of cooking restaurant-worthy meals for the whole family, it's impossible to beat the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10-quart. So there you have it, our definitive list of the top 6 air fryers for 2024. From streamlined models tailor-made for solo cooks all the way up to innovative smart fryers and expansive family-sized appliances, we covered a wide range of options guaranteed to upgrade any kitchen. Thanks so much for watching and happy air frying.